Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching this video. It is actually pretty early in the morning. CVS is just now opening up, which explains the empty parking lot. I'm about to go in here before work and do something that I probably am never going to do again, and that is shop like a newbie. So I actually went to CVS on Sunday. I recorded a video and I actually posted a video where I shopped at CVS, and that shopping haul was amazing. It turned out to be an $11 moneymaker for me, but I ended up taking the video down pretty quickly because what I realized after posting it was that most of you guys could not shop like I shopped on Sunday at CVS because you don't have the same CRTs, you don't have the same number of extra care bucks that I was shopping with. I know from my YouTube analytics that most people on my channel have found my channel through my couponing 101 video. So that means that you guys are brand new to this. You are not true to this yet. So what I decided to do was actually come back to CVS during the week and shop like you would need to shop. So I have abandoned all of my extra care bucks. I'm coming in here with no CRTs, and I am going to show you how you would shop if you were starting from scratch. So we're gonna start from the beginning, and what I'm going to tell you is that when you start from scratch at a drugstore, you have to make what I like to call an investment purchase. So on that very first purchase, like we're about to have today, a couple things are going to happen. One, you're going to have to do multiple transactions, and then two, you are going to have to spend a little bit more out of pocket. And you really have to do an investment trip regardless of if you get started at Walgreens or CVS or Rite Aid. It's all the same. Once you have that investment trip, we're going to leave today with extra care bucks. We can roll those extra care bucks from week to week moving forward. But today we're probably going to do 3 different transactions, and we are going to get in the game. So let's get started. Okay, so deal number 1 that we're going to do is on the Physicians Formula. It is on a deal this week where if you spend $15, you'll get back a $10 extra care buck. We are going to grab 2 of these eye makeup removers. They are actually on sale for $7.49. So when you buy 2 of them, we're going to use a $4 off coupon. We have a printable coupon, and then we're also going to use the digital coupon and load that to our accounts. That will make our total for 2 of them $7, and we will get back $10, making our first transaction a $3 moneymaker. The next deal we're going to do is on the Tide and the Tide Pods. So they are on a deal this week where if you spend $20, you'll get back a $5 extra care buck. The Tide Pods are $4.94. We're going to get 2 of those. We're going to use 1 paper coupon for $3 off one and 1 digital coupon. We're going to get one of the Tide liquids. We're going to do the same thing. They're $5.94. We're going to use 1 paper coupon and 1 digital coupon. Our total after our coupons will be $9.76, and we will get back a $5 extra care buck, making them $4.76 for 4 products. That's a great price for Tide. Okay, so the next deal we're going to do is on the Kotex. So we are going to buy 4 boxes of the Kotex products. They are actually on a spend $15, get back $5 this week. I'm going to get 2 boxes of the liners at $4.79. They are also buy one, get one 50% off. And then I'm going to get 2 boxes of the tampons. They are $5.69. Buy one, get one 50% off. And then I am going to use 4 $2 off coupons, and I will get back $5 in extra care bucks. Okay, so the tampons are actually a little bit cheaper in this store. They're actually $5.29, which is nice. So we are actually going to only have to pay $7.07 for 4 boxes out of pocket, and then get back $5, making them $2 for 4 boxes, or 50 cents a box. That's awesome. Okay, so let's do a cart review and just talk really quickly about the order of our transactions. So in transaction number 1, the only thing we're going to purchase is the Physicians Formula. Again, we are going to use one paper coupon for $4 off, and then we are going to use one digital coupon. On the Tide, that is going to be transaction number 2. We're going to take that $10 from the Physicians Formula, roll it over to the Tide. We are going to use 2 paper coupons, one for the Tide Liquid, one for the Tide Pods, and then 2 digital coupons, plus our $10 in extra care bucks from transaction number 1. Transaction number 3 is going to be the Kotex. We're going to take our $5 from the Tide, and we are going to use 2 paper coupons for the tampons, and then another 2 for the liners, and we will also use our extra care buck from the Tide to reduce our out-of-pocket. So let's see how everything works out. Alrighty, you guys, so we are back at home. We have completed our 3 transactions. The 3 transactions only took 5 minutes to complete, and we only spent $9 out of pocket. So we actually did pretty good to get started with no extra care bucks and no CRTs, only $9 spent. This is actually a fantastic week to get in the game at CVS. So let's go over our transactions one by one in the order that we did them. Okay, so the Physicians Formula was the first transaction. We did this one first because it was a moneymaker transaction, and we were going to get back the highest value of extra care bucks. So that is why I did this transaction first. For those who are curious, always do your moneymaker or your profitable transaction first. That is going to result in the lowest out-of-pocket cost. So I picked up 2 of the Physicians Formula at $7.49. I used that digital coupon there, and then I used that printable coupon. I posted on all my social media, Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube, where that $4 printable coupon was, because I told you guys it was a money maker. So our subtotal came up to $6.98 for this transaction, and then we got back $10, making that a $3 moneymaker to get us started. So you can see there, that was our first transaction at 9:15 a.m. I ripped that off and then took that $10 and brought it over to transaction number 2. So transaction number 2 was the 4 Tide items. We used 1 digital coupon on the Tide, 1 paper coupon on each one of them. Let me show you the receipt. So there is our Tide items there. Those are our 2 digital coupons, our 2 paper coupons, and you can use the ones from the inserts or the printables, whatever you have. And then that is our $10 extra care buck. It was reduced down just a little bit because our total wasn't quite $10. On this second transaction, we actually had no cost out of pocket, 0 cost out of pocket. It doesn't get better than absolutely free. As you can see, that was done 3 minutes later at 9:18. We had 100% savings value. I ripped the $5 extra care buck off my receipt here and brought it over to transaction number 3. Transaction number 3 was the Kotex. So here are all of our Kotex items. Boom, boom, the liners and the tampons. I used 2 of the liner coupons for $2 off, 2 of the tampon coupons, and then I used that $5 extra care buck from the Tide. Our last total came up to $2.11 plus tax, and now we have $5 of extra care bucks. And you can see that was done just a couple minutes later at 9:20. We had a 90% savings. Now we have $5 in extra care bucks to carry us into the next week. So when we get started, we are not starting from scratch. We have $5 to get started with, and we only spent $9 out of pocket today, y'all. So what does that mean? We spent $9 out of pocket. We have $5 in extra care bucks. All of these items, all 10 of these items only cost us $4.09 essentially, which is awesome. That is phenomenal to get started. So let me know what questions you have. Hopefully I broke this down so that all my newbies can come and get in the game. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye, you guys.